Hi, this is Jerry. I have another secret sauce that's a very valuable one at this time of year because weeds are just getting started, and the best time to kill weeds is when they're young and they're struggling to try to make their mark in nature. And so I have a sauce that will work on those, and I wanted to go over that today to kind of help people kill those weeds that are really hard to kill. All right. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to tell you that this particular solution kills just about everything. And so you must be very careful with it. And there are some limitations to it. One, don't ever spray it over 80 degrees. Be sure it's always under 80 degrees. Um, and two, there shouldn't be any wind at all. If there's a wind and you try to spray something that's a little bit on the misty side, it will drift and it will kill whatever it touches. And so the next thing is to be sure you open your sprayer. A 1-gallon sprayer is what we usually use. Open it so that it has more of a large droplet rather than a mist, because mists are dangerous, and this one will particularly get you in trouble if you use a mist. Okay. And then it needs to dry for about 48 hours before you water, before any rain, those kinds of things. All right. Okay. The first thing we're going to start with is Killzall. That's a glyphosate product. We're going to use 4 tablespoons of Killzall in this solution. Now remember, this all goes in a gallon of water. All right. The second thing we're going to use is Weed Free Zone. Okay. Now the Killzall is detoxified by soil, and so it goes away quickly and doesn't hurt anything, basically because it is detoxified by soil. Then this is a Weed Free Zone, and Weed Free Zone has 2,4-D in it. 2,4-D will stay in the soil for a couple of weeks. Okay, and that's not a detriment. That actually helps you when it comes to killing weeds. And then we're going to use 4 tablespoons of each of those, and then we're going to use 1.5 teaspoons of spreader sticker, which is a surfactant, which breaks down the cuticle layer on the leaf so that the plant accepts the solution better. Then the next thing and the last thing we're going to use is 4 tablespoons of vinegar. Now this vinegar must not be the 30% vinegar. It must be the kind of vinegar that you wouldn't be afraid to use on your salad. If you can't use it on your salad, don't put it in this mixture. Okay? And then we want you to spray, and it's always better when you spray weeds with this solution is to walk backwards. Because if you go the other way and you walk through it, then when you walk through the grass, through your lawn, it's going to kill your lawn wherever you step if your feet are wet from the solution. Okay? So I think that's going to take care of all or most of the really hard to kill weeds, and some of them are hard to kill. You do not want to use this on your lawn because it will kill your lawn. You want to use it basically on open areas where all you want to do is kill the weeds, and it will do a good job. Thank you. See ya. See you next time.